And welcome back to America's Funniest Home Videos. I'm your host, Alberto Sternum.
And I'm your other host, Jaques Holiday. This is Stacey.
I'm Stacey Rack'em. I got lost in the back.
And these are my co-hosts.
Yeah, but I'm the real host. I've been hosting longer.
Well, I'm the main host.
I'm the woman.
Welcome to the show, everyone.
Hey!
All right.
How are you doing? And how are you doing?
Oh, that's a real cute little kid over there you got. I'll give him a little sucker later. You know? Little lollipop.
All right, lay off the kids.
What?
Okay, who's ready to see America's funniest home videos?
I am. I love watching comedy.
Okay,
Huge
all
fan.
right.
Maybe the best at it.
Well, anyway.
Well, our first video.
Our first video is a great video, all the way from Wisconsin. We've got the Johnsons.
From Madison, the Johnsons. They got a dog.
Let's find out about a toupee on a dog. Did I spoil it?
Give me something. Give them something. Work the camera, buddy. Work the freaking camera.
Look, that dog has a toupee.
I get. Was he able to pay for that?
No, he's a dog.
Yeah.